If you park your vehicle for a long time, in extremely cold or extremely warm weather, remote start allows you to start the engine and warm or cool the interior to about 72 degrees Fahrenheit before you get in and drive away. Before remote start will activate, the following conditions must be met. The vehicle must be ready to drive, meaning there must be vital fluids such as coolant in the engine. The low fuel indicator warning light must not have been illuminated before the engine was last shut off. The transmission must be in park. All doors, the engine hood, and the trunk must be closed. The vehicle must be locked, the vehicle battery must be charged, and there must not be any engine faults that illuminate the yellow engine malfunction indicator light. To activate remote start, press the lock button on the remote once, and within the next 3 seconds, press the remote start button twice. The turn signals flash each time the remote is pressed, and the daytime running lights illuminate while the vehicle is in remote start mode. The engine will run for about 10 minutes in remote start mode. If more time is needed, perform a second remote start. After the second remote start, the ignition will have to be cycled on and off before another remote start can be performed. To turn off the engine when it is running in remote start mode, press the remote start button on the remote again. When you unlock the doors and get into a vehicle running in remote start mode, the engine will continue to run. The climatronic system will be operating in auto, and the temperature will be set to 72 degrees. When the outside temperature drops below 59 degrees, the seat heating activates at level 2 to warm the seats. To defrost snow or ice from the glass, the outside mirror heating turns on at outside temperatures below 68 degrees. The rear window defroster turns on at outside temperatures below 39 degrees. In warm weather situations, seat ventilation activates at the level 2 setting when outside temperatures reach approximately 68 degrees, helping make the seat more comfortable. To move from remote start mode to standard operation, the engine doesn't need to be turned off and restarted. With the engine running and the key in the vehicle, depress the brake pedal and press the start button at the same time. The engine continues to run, but it is now in standard operation, allowing you to place the transmission in gear and drive off.